be okay. It will be much easier in this case. You will not stop the recording or start the recording. That's why it will be much easier for us. So that's what we are going to do right now.
Next.
Hello.
There are a number of different recordings, and you will have.
So as you know, at the beginning, they start giving some answers, some information relating to the questions. But what we do here is kind of different. Just 1 minute. Why only part 1 we have? I think that's the same. Okay, so we can work on this one. I don't recommend you to analyze part 1 questions during this time period. We will start analyzing part 2 and part 3 questions when they give us some time to analyze part 1 questions.
To answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions, and you will have a chance to check your work. All the recordings will be played once only. The test is in 4 parts. At the end of the test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. Now turn to part 1. Part 1. You will hear a teaching assistant calling a country park about a school visit. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 6.
Ay, mənim bu xəritə necə çətin idi.
This was? No, actually.
Yes, əziyyət çəkdim.
Mənim keçən dəfəki imtahandakı part 2 sualları demək olar belə idi.
Hamısı
Yəni
belə.
məhv edilmişdi.
Two of our classes.
Okay.
Demək olar.
Yes, part 1 başladı. Gəlin başlayaq. One word and or a numbers. You will help me as you know, yes?
What would you like to know?
Well, I'm new to this area, so perhaps you could tell me something about the park first, please.
Of course. Altogether, the park covers 170 acres. That's 69 hectares.
Answer?
69.
69.
Let's continue.
There are 3 main types of habitat: wetland, grassland, and woodland. The woods are well established and varied, with an oak plantation and other areas of mixed species.
Right.
The wetland is quite varied too. The original farmland was dug up around 40 years ago to extract gravel. Once this work was completed, the gravel pits filled with water, forming the 2 large lakes. There are also several smaller ones, ponds, and a stream that
Stream.
Green.
Stream.
Teacher, bu deyəsən general deyir. Yuxarıda elə yazıb.
What?
Generalda bu.
Actual general academic listings are the same. Readings are different.
Okay, so I suppose with these different habitats, there's quite a variety of wildlife.
there certainly is. A lot of different species of birds and insects, and also animals like deer and rabbits.
And I understand you organise educational visits for school parties.
That's right. We can organise a wide range of activities and adapt them to suit all ages.
Can you give me some examples of the activities?
Well, one focus is on science, where we help children to discover and study plants, trees, and insects. They also collect.
Look and study. What was the answer?
Trees.
Collect deyəndən sonra nə deməyəcək?
Trees. Trees. Data.
Yes, here.
Data.
Analyze data. Yes.
About the things they see.
Uh-huh.
Plants.
Another focus is on geography. The park is a great environment to learn and practice reading a map
The map.
Map.
Map.
and using a compass to navigate around the park.
Do you do anything connected with history?
Yes, we do. For instance, the children can explore how the use of the land has changed over time. Then there's leisure and tourism.
That focuses on your visitors, I would imagine.
Yes,
So, focus on visitors, guys. So let me start it one more time.
That focuses.
I'm sorry, I had a connection. So, could you hear this one or should I start the recording one more time?
One more time.
Okay.
Focuses on your visitors, I would imagine.
Focuses on your visitors. So, focuses, concentrates on. So, the answer will be visitors in this case. Did you understand, guys, this one?
This is my mistake, teacher. The foxes concentrate similar meaning, yeah?
Focus on something, concentrate on something.
Okay.
Okay. Let's continue with 6.
yes, mostly. The children find out about them, their requirements, the problems they may cause, and how we manage these. And another subject we cover is music. Here the children experiment with natural materials to create sounds.
So, to create
Sound.
sounds will be the correct answer.
And explore rhythm and tempo.
That must be fun.
Most children really enjoy it.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 7 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 7 to 10.
And of course, all the activities are educational too. Learning outside the classroom encourages children to be creative and to explore and discover for themselves.
I would imagine they get a sense of freedom.
Answer.
Freedom.
Read.
A feeling of, they use a sense of something.
A sense of.
They are the synonyms of each other, so keep it in your mind, okay? So let's continue with 8.
That might not be a normal part of their lives.
That's right. And very often, the children discover that they can do things they didn't know they could do, and they develop new skills.
Skills.
Tatlı değil.
This gives them greater self-confidence.
It sounds great. So, what about the practical side of it? How much does it cost for a full day visit? We would expect to bring between 30 and 40 children.
If there are over 30, it costs £4.95 for each.
4 pound. 95.
Oy.
4.95.
But
95.
I have written it incorrectly. It should be like this. So, guys, you shouldn't put a comma. You should put a dot. Okay? Don't forget it.
Peki.
And here,
Okay.
I have already used they already have used the sign of pound. That's why we haven't written pounds here. Okay? But otherwise, we should. So, let's continue with this one.
Child who attends on the day. We invoice you afterwards, so you don't pay for children who can't come because of sickness, for example. There's no charge for leaders and other adults.
Leaders.
There is no charge. It means it is free.
Free.
Yes. So, that's
Ama bu 4.95'i mütebbez olanlar da hile yazmalıdır.
aynen yazmamız lazım.
Nokta ile yan yazanlar.
Nöqtenin. Nəyə görə nöqtə ilə yazırıq? Çünki bu və bu fərqli rəqəmlərdir. Bu 123.456 deməkdir. Bu 123 tam bində.
23.
Onluq kəsir.
Bildim.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's continue with this.
As many as you want to bring.
That sounds very fair. Well, thanks for all the information. I'll need to discuss it with my colleagues, and I hope to get back to you soon to make a booking.
We'll look forward to hearing from you.
Bu
Goodbye.
şey deməkdir.
Goodbye.
İstifadə vaxtı
And
keçir.
thank you. That is the end of part 1. You now have 1 minute to check your answers to part 1.
İki sürəti nə qədərdir?
1.
Bu tipli sualları necə yaxşı işləmək olar? Çünki bütün keywordsləri götürürəm, amma eşitmək də eşidirəm, prosta tapamıram həmin vaxt o
Bence daha
sözün
yazın,
mənasını.
daha faydalı olur.
Multiple choice yaralı yerdir.
Taktikanı mən yoxladım Azərbaycan dilində. Bir dənə problem bilirsiniz nə var? Bu indi məsələn cavabı yazana qədər şeydə axı o birisi sual gəlir. Onda
Ben
həmin
yazıram
vaxtda
gene.
tutuştura bilmirəm. Amma eləmişdim, bircə səhv çıxmışdı.
Part 2. You will hear the chairman of Stanthorpe Twinning Association, which organises the link between Stanthorpe in England and a town in France.
İmtahanda qıraq nə yazmaq olur belə?
About the
Vərəq olacaq qabağınızda balaca, oradan notlar ala bilərsiniz.
year's events. First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 15.
Qaydıram mən o sualları. Önce bunları bitirdim çünki. Bu burada qalsın, buna fikir verməyin də, hələ lazım deyil, okey? Bax, bizə lazımdır Malatda nə ediblər və xüsusən nədən zövq alıblar. 25 illiyində nə olacaq Stanthorpe-da yerlərə fikir verin. Hansı deyir ən çox pul toplayıb bu il? First evening-də French Visitor Hostel'ına məsləhət görülür. Gəzin, restorana gedin ya da evdə yemək yeyin. Saturday evening-də konsertə
Now listen carefully
getmək.
and answer questions 11 to 15.
It's great to see so many members of the Twinning Association here tonight. Since the twinning link between our two towns, Stanthorpe here in England and Malat in France, was established, the relationship between the towns has gone from strength to strength. Last month, 25 members of the association from Stanthorpe spent a weekend in Malat. Our hosts had arranged a great program. We learned how cheese is produced in the region
Öyrəniblər ki, necə cheese produce olunur, amma xüsusən zövq aldıq ifadəsi hələ deyilmir.
and had the chance to taste the products.
Product'ı test ediblər.
The theme park trip had
So, dedimi ki, enjoy elədik? No, ona
to be cancelled.
theme park nə oldu dedi?
Ləğv oldu.
Cancel yani
Ləğv oldu, cancel oldu.
imtina oldu.
Cavab nə oldu?
Cancel. Experience every.
But we all had a great time on the final boat trip down the river.
Had a great time, yəni
have a
Great time.
Enjoy deneyiblər.
Enjoyed.
experiencing a river trip. Did you understand this one?
Yes.
Right, let's continue with the next one.
That was the real highlight. This is a special year for the association because it's 25 years since we were founded. In Malat, they're planning to mark this by
Malatdan danışırlar. Bizə Stanthorpe lazımdır, okay?
building a footbridge
Footbridge. Footbridge'i kim edir?
Footbridge. Malatda.
Malatda da elə
Malatda.
çatmışdı.
Seni çıxdı.
in the municipal park. We've been discussing what to do here, and we've decided to plant a poplar tree
A'dan
in the museum gardens. We considered buying a garden seat to put there, but the
Qadası.
Sonradan but
authorities weren't happy with that.
the authorities weren't happy with this. Bundan razılaşmayıblar. But dediyinə görə bu deyil. Və Qarabağ özü də dedi ki, we decided to poplar tree idi. Nəsə belə bir ağac dedi. Onu deyir ki, plant eləmək. So that's why the answer will be A here. Did you understand?
Teacher.
Qulaq asmaq olar o hissəyə. Biraz
Olar
qarışıq.
mı?
Dediğim mənə.
To plant a poplar tree in the museum garden. And we've decided to plant a poplar tree in
We have decided to plant a poplar tree. So a tree will be planted.
the museum gardens. We considered buying a garden seat to put there, but the authorities weren't happy with that idea.
Biz bunu nəzərə aldıq, amma authoritylər happy değildi bu idea ilə. So B is also incorrect. So that's why the answer is A here.
Mən bu Stanford harda dedim, mən heç eşitmədim.
Eşitmədim onu.
Mən də.
B deyir. Onlar elə Stanforddadılar.
A tree in the museum gardens. We decided to plant a poplar tree in discussing what to do here, and we've decided park. We've been discussing what a footbridge in the municipal park. We've been discussing what to do here.
Here. Yəni
Yəni əvvəlində Malatda olduğunu deyirdi. O ha vaxt keçdi ki, Stanford orada
demirdi. Malatdakılar bunu eləyir, biz bunu eləmək istəyirik deyir. Biz deyəndə Stanforddakilar nəzərdə tutur. Okay?
Tamam.
Keçdi 13-ə.
And we've decided to plant a poplar tree in the museum gardens. We considered buying a garden seat to put there, but the authorities weren't happy with that idea. In terms of fundraising to support our activities,
Fundraising dedi, gəlin.
we've done very well. Our pancake evening was well attended,
Well attended.
record profits.
Made record profits.
Profits.
Rekorddusa onda most funds. Düzdür?
B döndü.
Bəli.
Record
And everyone enjoyed the demonstration of French cookery, which was nearly as successful.
Nearly successful da.
Nearly
yaxın idi.
successful, yəni yaxın
Tam
successful.
Numbers for our film show were limited because of the venue, so we're looking for somewhere bigger next.
Limit sayda adam getmişdi bura.
Limit sayda.
Buradan ümid edir ki, rekord diski cavab deyil. Okay. Keçdik 14-dən.
year. We're looking forward to welcoming our French visitors here next week, and I know that many of you here will be hosting individuals or families. The coach from France will arrive at 5 p.m. on Friday. Don't try to do too much that first evening,
Don't try to do too much. Çox şey eləmək.
as they'll be tired. So have dinner in the house or garden.
Have dinner in a house or garden. Cavab?
Have a meal at home.
Yes.
Have a meal.
Dinner, meal'de. House or garden.
The house or garden'da home'da.
Aha.
Rather than eating out.
Rather than eating out. Yəni çöldə yeməkdənsə.
Daha yaxşı idi.
Rather than-dən sonra olanı çıxırsınız. O düzgün deyil, okay? Bunu elə deyir, bunu eləməkdənsə. So deyir,
Advice da olur.
Eynən, evdə ye deyir. Bunu çıxdıq.
The weather looks as if it'll be okay, so you might like to plan a barbecue. Then, the next morning's market day.
Barbecue deyir də, demək ki, gedin gəzin townda. So, it's not. Keçdik.
In town, and that's always a good place to stroll round. On Saturday evening, we'll all meet up at the football club, where
Futbol klubu ilə görüşəcəklər.
once again we'll have Toby Sharp and his band performing English and Scottish country songs.
Kimsə və onun
Band country songs, listen to a concert.
Yes.
Aha. Niyə bu çox match deyil? Axı dedi futbol tim. Niyə deyil?
Yox, sadəcə onlarla görüşür.
Görüşürlər.
Görüşürlər.
Onlar match oynayır demir ki, oyunçularla görüşürük dedi. Düzdür?
Ben de bu yazanda watch match yazmıştım.
Bildin niyə deyil? Çünki
Məntiqlə götürür adam məçi. Onu futbola görə.
amma orada deyir ki, futbol playerləri ilə görüşürük. Sizin onlarla görüşməyiniz o demək deyil ki, futbol match oynayırsınız. Düzdür?
Yani konsert
Onlar yenidən qulaq asaq.
We will already be
Blankes və onun timi dedi ki, musiqi çalacaq.
where once again
Countryside.
we'll have Toby Sharp and his band performing English and Scottish country songs.
Blankes və onun timi English və Scottish songlarını çalacaqlar. Yəni
Country songs.
Konsertdə.
Country songs.
Okay, başa düşdünüz? Hı.
Listen to country.
Sonra keçdik bura.
Bunu
Toby
kiçikdir.
will already be well known to many of you, as last year he organised our special quiz night and presented the prizes.
Nədir?
Before you hear the rest of the talk, you have some time to look at questions 16 to 20.
Yerlərinə bax. Bura baxmayın, bura baxaq. A harda? A yolun sonundadır, Northdadır, ağacların yanındadır. B nədədir? Bunun adını bilən var, bu döngənin.
Roundabout.
Curve.
B benddədir gördüyünüz kimi.
Bend.
Aha, house'dan
Now
lake'ə
listen
gedən
and
bend.
answer questions 16
Bir
to
burada,
20.
bir küncdə. Bu ikisinin kəsişməsi lake
Now,
yanı.
on Sunday,
Baxaq,
we'll
farm
be
shop
taking
gəlir.
our visitors to Farley House. You may not all be familiar with it, so here's a map to help you. You can see the car park at the bottom of the map. There's an excellent farm shop in the grounds where our visitors can buy local produce. It's in the old stables,
Old Stables, hardasa buralar. Ya G-dir, ya H-dir.
which is the first building you come to.
Which is, aha.
They're built round a courtyard, and the shop's in the far corner on the left.
Solda far
Far
corner.
corner on the left.
G.
G.
Adətən tələbələr H yazır, çünki deyir first building that you come into. Orada o first building deyəndə Old Stables-ı nəzərdə tutur. Sonra Old Stables-ı yerin başa salıb keçir farm shop-a, deyir far corner. Yəni uzaq küncündə. Sizcə H mi uzaq küncündədir, G mi uzaq küncündədir? G uzaqdadır, düzdürmü?
Həm də left deyir orada.
Left deyir,
Hatta
orada
solda sol corner değil, left corner
bəli,
diyor.
left dediyindən də bilirsiniz G-dir. 16 oldu G.
There's also a small cafe on the right as you go in. I know that
Onda bu da kafe oldu da, düzdürmü? Dedi ki small cafe.
Hə.
Bunda çıxdıq.
Small cafe on.
Bildiniz niyə çıxdığımızı? Çünki bunun kafe olduğunu dedim.
one or two of our visitors may not be all that mobile. The main entrance to the house has a
Not mobile, yəni disabled. İndi bunu
Disabled thing.
lot of steps, so you might want to use the disabled entry. This is on the far side of the house.
Far side of the house deyirsə, onda evin bu tərəfi yox. Tərəflərinə baxırıq artıq, uzaq tərəflərinə.
The car park.
Car parkdan gördünüz, deyir uzağı. Çünki buralar, aha.
Children will probably be most interested in the adventure.
Hədəf yox. Car parkdan uzaq tərəfində olan girişi C-dir də gördünüz, əraziyə.
C-dir də.
Playground. That's at the northern end of the larger lake.
Lake'in north tərəfində.
North arasındadır.
Yəni yəqin ki
Neydi də onun?
düzdürmü?
Bir olacaq da.
Adventure Playground'un adını çəkdi ki, heç vəbşi.
Uşaqlar üçün playground.
Playground'dır.
İşləmədim mən.
Playground. The children will probably be most interested in the adventure playground.
Adventure playground.
That's at the northern end of the larger lake, in a bend on the path that leads to the lake.
Bend dedi, eşitdiniz? Baxın.
Açıq-aşkar dedi, hə.
Dərsdən sonra
Bend.
Çox aydın dedin.
Listed map vocabulary-ində atacağım, ona da baxarsınız.
There's lots for children to do there.
60.
There are a number of lovely gardens near the house. The kitchen gardens are rectangular and surrounded by a wall. They're
Rectangle deyirsə D-dir də yəqin ki.
D-dir də.
to the northeast of the house.
Northeast, baxın, northeast.
North east, yeah.
Oldu onda.
Quite near the smaller lake. They're still in use and have a great collection of fruit and vegetables. The Temple of the Four Winds is a bit more of a walk, but it's worth it. Take the path from the car park and go past the western sides of the stables and the house. Then,
Sol tərəfdən stables və house-u
Aha.
Öyle.
when the path forks,
fork bilirsiniz nədir guys? Belə
Yol ayrıcı.
yol ayrılanda, şaxələnəndə, aha. Branch off da deyirlər.
take the right.
Total deyirlərdi türklər, Vilka.
Aha, Vilkalında.
Elə bil.
Right tərəfi
Aha.
deyib götürün. Burayla getdi. Onda cavab nə
Ya
olur?
onda aydı da, ey.
Ey olacaq, bunda cavab.
Çünkü beni götürmüş iş.
Başa düşdünüz mü bunu?
Bu çox
Bəli.
rahat.
Yes.
Yes, bunu
Bu
yazaq.
axır valla mənə rahat gəldi. Ben nəsə bu.
Mənə də nəsə rahat
Elədikcə
gəlir.
məncə praktika elədikcə bunlar rahatlaşır.
En çetin evvel oydu.
See,
Teacher,
yes. Yes. Bravo.
I wrote a message on Telegram to you, but you didn't back to my message. Like you didn't reply.
I will look at this, no worries, okay?
Okay.
Let's continue.
Go up there with the woods on your left, and the temple is right at the end. There are great views over the whole area.
Sildim mən.
Okay, so that's...
That is the end of part 2. You now have 30 seconds to check your answers to part 2.
Burada bizə nə lazım olacaq? Adamın most satisfying tapdığı şey. Lokal restoranlardan support almaq, waste'in qarşısını almaq, problemlərə qalib gəlmək, basic prosesdə.
Part 3. You will
Experiment
hear
eləmək,
two
design
food science students called Marie and Colin discussing
creating.
their final year projects. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 24.
Buradaysa ikisinin ortaq bilirsə əqri olanda biri bir şey deməlidir, digəri mütləq yes, I agree və sair tipli bir şey eləməlidir. Bu arada in the future deyir. Gələcəkdə olan bir şey, olacaq olan bir şey. Medical productlar üçün food no longer
Now listen
free
carefully
vaxtı keçmir
and answer questions 21 to 24.
sorular üçün. Bu da bir çəkiz. Başlayaq.
I haven't seen you for a bit, Marie.
No, I've been busy with my project.
You're making a vegan alternative to eggs, aren't you? Something that doesn't use animal products.
Yes, I'm using chickpeas. I had two main aims when I first started looking for an alternative to eggs, but actually I found chickpeas have got more advantages.
Right.
But how about your project on reusing waste food? You were looking at bread, weren't you?
Yes.
Bizə oğlanınki lazımdır.
It's been hard work, but I've enjoyed it. The basic process was quite straightforward.
Basic process bununla ait bir şey.
Breaking the stale bread down to a paste, then reforming it.
But you were using 3D printing, weren't you, to make the paste into biscuits?
Bağlı, satisfying bir şey demədi də. Bax, bunu çıxdım.
Bəli.
Gəldik buna.
Yeah, I used that before, but in this project, I had time.
But in this
Bax deyir sonra.
Bat dedi.
eləmədiyi ilə bağlı bir
Yeah.
Play around with different patterns for the biscuits and finding how I could add fruit and vegetables to make them a more appetizing color. And I was
appetizing color.
Appetizer color.
really pleased with
Şey ola bilər.
what I managed to produce.
Pleased və sair dedi. Bu da satisfying ilə sinonim.
Yes.
Da.
Dedi.
It must have been a great feeling to make something appetizing out of bits of old bread that would have been thrown away otherwise.
It was. And I'm hoping that some of the restaurants in town will be interested in the biscuits.
I hope they will be interested.
I hope it would be.
Dedi bu. Ama
Gələcək
indi demir.
Olsun.
Ha,
indi receive eləyibmi? Yox. Bunda çıxdıq. Cavab bir qalmış olur.
bir
I'm
kalır.
going to send them
Bir
some
də təzə
samples.
izah edə bilərsiniz. Mən elə eyni səhv eləyib A seçmişdim.
Okay. Dedi ki, mən ümid eləyirəm ki, gələcəkdə eləyəcəklər. Demək eləməyiblər də bu adamlar. Yes, qulaq as.
Something appetizing out of bits of old bread that would have been thrown away otherwise.
It was. And I'm hoping that some of the restaurants in town will be interested in the biscuits.
I am hoping they will be interested.
They will be in.
Will be. Receive eləyibmi supportu? Yox. Hoping
Yox, hələ eləməyib.
eləyəcək. Okay. Bir də çörəyin qız dedi tullanmasın falan şey eləmək yaxşı isə oğlan dedi hə fikir verdi.
It must have been a great feeling
Great feeling, yəni satisfying olduğunu göstərir.
to make something appetizing out of bits of old bread that would have been thrown away otherwise.
Atılır, yəni prevent waste də bu da eyni zamanda. Qız deyir ki, bu yəni qəşəng bir feeling olmalıdır da. Oğlan hə desə onda cavabdır. It was. Elə idi. So prevent waste, yəni onu thrown away dedi də, atılmasının qarşısını almaq. Cavab B və D oldu. Başa düşdü səbəblərini?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue with this ones. Agree eləməlidir.
And I'm hoping that some of the restaurants in town will be interested in the biscuits. I'm going to send them some samples.
I came across something on the internet yesterday that might interest you. It was a company that's developed touch-sensitive sensors for food labels. It's a special sort of label on the food package. When the label's smooth, the food is fresh. And then when you can feel bumps on the label, that means the food's gone bad. It started off as a project to help visually impaired people know whether food was...
Okay, visually impaired people, yəni blind people. Amma sən olmasın.
Blind.
İkisi də razılaşmalı, düzdür?
...fit to eat or not.
Interesting. So, just solid food?
No, things like milk and juice as well. But actually, I thought it might be really good for...
Oğlan razılaşdığını demədi. Sadəcə dedi maraqlı.
Bəli.
Sadəcə maraqlı gəldi ona.
Bence bunu götürməyək hələ ki. Çünki
Bəli.
deməlidir ki, yes, I agree. Belə bir şey deməlidir, okay?
Drug storage in hospitals and pharmacies.
Right.
Bəli, pharmacy,
Pharmacist dedi, medical products. O da right dedi.
Yes.
Right dedi. Sonra bir
And coming back...
Bəli, bəli.
Right dedi. In hospitals and pharmacies.
Right.
right dedi.
Bəli, right.
Right agree elədiyini göstərən bir şeydir, düzdürmü? Ona görə A-nı götürdü.
And coming back to food, maybe it'd be possible to use it for other things besides freshness, like how many kilograms a joint of meat is,
Kilograms, yəni weight.
Weight.
for example.
Bəli,
Yes.
Bu da nə dedi?
Yes dedi.
Təsdiqlədi.
Bəs beyninlə bağlı nəsə demədi orada foodun.
Orada dedi təzə və köhnə olmasa, amma demir.
Ay, sağ ol.
Longer fit to eat. Köhnə olmasa o demək deyil ki, sən onu yeyə bilmərsən. Deməli idi ki, expired olub. Yəni vaxtı keçib. Bir
O
şey
məni çaşdırdı be. Elə bilirdim ki, beynin.
köhnə olması o demək deyil ki, bəlkə də okeydir. Biri o birinə nisbətən köhnədir, amma bu o demək deyil ki, no longer fit to eat. Okay? So ona görə o deyil.
No longer fit to eat, yəni yeyilməyə müsait deyil də, düzdürmü?
Deyil, artıq yeyilə bilməz. Orada amma yeyilə bilməz deməli. Sadəcə biri daha freshdir. Məsələn, çörək almağa gedir, şey deyirsən, təzə çörək, bir də dünəndən qalan çörək, onun kimi deyir.
There's all sorts of possibilities.
Keçdim.
Before you hear the rest of the discussion, you have some time to look at questions 25 to 30.
Ən çətindir bu.
Mənim xoşuma gəlir, amma bir dənə səhv edirəm həmişə.
Keşke biz de bir tane eləyərdik səhv.
Mən də razıyam bir də səhv.
Herhalde 9 band gəlirdi.
Maddi dəstək daha çox lazımdır.
Arzu xanım, burada siz
And answer question.
Yes.
üzrlü sən keywordslərin tərcümələrini yazırıq ki, daha anlamını tutaq da
Özdə
məna.
qısaca özətləyirəm də hər variantı. Tək gəncəli nəticəsi.
25 to 30.
I was reading an article about food trends predicting how eating habits might change in the next few years.
Oh, things like more focus on local products. That seems so obvious, but
Onu eşitdik, sonra baxmırıq, indi bura baxırıq, yaxşı.
shops are still full of imported foods.
Yes, they need to be more proactive to address that.
Shopperlər daha çox aktiv olmalıdır. Satıcılar daha
More to encourage.
Nəsə çox eləməlidir. Retail
satıcılar daha çox eləməlidir, daha aktiv olmalıdır. Yes, should do more to encourage. Daha proaktiv olması, yəni should do more da, düzdürmü? So, retailer ise shoppers dedi, xatırlayırsınızsa. So that's why the answer will be
D.
And somehow motivate consumers to change. Yes.
Motivate de neyin sinonimidir? Encourage.
Mən onunla
Everyone's aware of is the need for
Həmişə motivate-dən encourage, bir də promote. Bunlar əvəz edir bir-birini.
a reduction in unnecessary packaging. But just about everything you buy in supermarkets is still covered in plastic.
Marketdəki hər şeylərdə plastikdir.
The government needs to do something about it.
Dövlət bunun haqqında nəsə eləməlidir. Yəni hansıdır sizcə?
Regulations about this.
Haddi qaydaya ehtiyacımız var. Dövlət regulation, nə bilim, qayda ilə bağlı bir şey falan.
Rick mesela.
Absolutely. It's got to change.
Do you think there'll be more interest in gluten and lactose-free food?
For people with allergies or food intolerances? I don't know. Lots of people I know have been buying that type of food for years now.
Deyir artıq illərdir ki, belə da, yəni
Widespread de çok
Çok olup da spread olup.
çox alırsa, onda widespreaddir də. O şey illərdir də ki, olur idi, düzdür?
Ayda bunu səhv yazmışdım. Hemen de boşa düştüm.
Okay.
Even if they haven't been diagnosed with an allergy.
That's right. One thing I've noticed is the number of branded products related to celebrity chefs. People watch them cooking on TV and then buy things like spice mixes or frozen foods with the chef's name on. I bought something like that once, but I won't again.
Yeah, I bought a ready-made spice mix for chicken, which was supposed to be used by a chef I'd seen on television. And it didn't actually taste of anything.
Şefdən təsənnüf
Actual taste, yeah.
Heç nə.
Didn't actually taste there.
Zatları var.
Disappointed.
Bəli, yəni məyus edici nəticə. Dedi ki, it doesn't taste anything. Yəni heç bir dadı yoxdur. Yəni disappointing bir, adamı məyus edici bir nəticəsi olub, düzdür?
Yes.
Did the article mention ghost kitchens used to produce takeaway food?
No, what are they?
Well, they might have the name of a restaurant, but actually they're a cooking facility just for delivery meals. The public don't ever go there.
Don't have a go there. Most people know little about.
Az bilinir.
Əksər insanlar az bilir də.
Az bilir.
Most people know about
Bu oldu. Evet.
But people aren't aware of that.
People aren't aware of that. Aren't aware yani
Haberdar değiller.
Haberdar değil.
Az bilirler. Yes.
So people don't realize the food's not actually from the restaurant.
don't realize, yani know little.
Right.
Did you know more and more people are using all sorts of different mushrooms now to treat different health concerns? Like heart problem.
heart problem.
Heart problem, man.
Big risk there.
They are taking
Big risk there.
yani
Dangerous yani.
Dangerous.
Dangerous age.
oh, age will be the correct answer. Did you understand this one, guys?
Yes.
Let's continue.
Yes, it's hard to know which varieties are safe to eat. Anyway, maybe now we...
That is the end of part 3. You now have 30 seconds to check your answers to part 3.
Once bir vaxtlar deməkdir, okay? Bir vaxtlar bu daşlar nəymiş ya da necəymiş, okay? Onu tapmalıyıq. Biz nə bilim, narkologist. Burada yəqin şey olacaq da onun dostu, nə bilim, qızı, oğlu, kim arkeologist oldu onu tapmalıyıq, okay?
Part 4. You will hear an archaeology student giving a presentation on an important site in Ireland called the Cagey Fields. First, you have some time to look at questions 31 to 40.
Nəyinsə çatışmaz.
Lack of nəyinsə çatışmaz.
Olmaması.
Burada evlərin forması lazımdır bizə.
Şey,
Şey,
yəqin Neolitik farmesidən sonra olardı, onlar deyirlər.
Storage üçün istifadə olunmuş və make eləmək üçün nəysə. Large enough to support a big. Kifayət qədər geniş imiş. To house them during winter, summer, nəysə Evet, okay.
Get lazımdı. Ha.
Declining. Neyse keyfiyyətində azalış var. Nədəsə
Increasing nədəsə artış.
gözləyək.
Now listen carefully and answer questions 31 to 40. For my presentation today, I'm going to talk about the KG fields in the northwest of Ireland, one of the largest Neolithic sites in the world. I recently visited this site and observed the work that is currently being done by a team of archaeologists there. The site was first discovered in the 1930s by a local teacher, Patrick Caulfield. He noticed that when local people were digging in the bog, they were constantly hitting against what seemed to be rows of stones. He realized that these must be walls, and that they must...
This must be
Walls. Must be walls.
Walls.
Stones deyən var idi aramızda. Stones da yazıbdı özü.
Mən o bilmədiyim keyword ağlını getirə bildim onu deyəcəkdim. Sonra baxdım ki keyworddur.
Thousands of years old for them to predate the bog, which subsequently grew over them. He wrote to the National Museum in Dublin to ask them to investigate, but no one took him seriously. It wasn't until 40 years later, when Patrick Caulfield's son, Seamus, who had become an archaeologist,
His son.
by then, began to explore further. He inserted iron probes into the bog to map the formation of the stones, a traditional method which local people had always used for finding fuel buried in the...
Finding
Fuel
və qazıblar fuel üçün, yəni yanacaq üçün də, yəni fuel tapmaq üçün.
bog for thousands of years. Carbon dating later proved that the site was over 5,000 years old and was the largest Neolithic site in Ireland. Thanks to the bog, which covers the area, the remains of the settlement at KG Fields, which is over 5,000 years old, are extremely well preserved. A bog is 90% water. Its soil so saturated that when the grasses and heathers that grow on its surface die, they don't fully decay, but accumulate in layers. Objects remain so well preserved in these conditions because of the acidity of the peat and the deficiency of oxygen.
Oxygen. Deficiency of oxygen.
Deficiency lack of sinoнимdir, düzdürmü?
Yes.
Oxygen.
O harda bilirəm? Vitamin deficiency, vitamin çatışmazlığı.
Çatışmamazlığı.
35'e baxaq.
At least 175 days of rain a year are required for this to happen. This part of Ireland gets an average of 225 days.
Forması lazımdır, yaxşı.
The Neolithic farmers at KG would have enjoyed several centuries of relative peace and stability. Neolithic farmers generally lived in larger communities than their predecessors, with a number of houses built around a community building. As they lived in permanent settlements, Neolithic farmers were able to build bigger houses. These weren't round, as people often assume, but rectangular.
Rectangular. What rectangular dedi?
İnsanlar round
Rectangular.
eləyərdilər, amma əslində rectangular.
Yəni orada
Şey deyə bilərəm.
house word bigger biraz səhv çıxır, yoxsa necə? Mən belə yazmışım posta.
Yuxarıda.
E-shape ona görə deyil. Okay, forması.
Mən bir şey deyə bilərəm. Teşekkür.
Aha.
Hətta deyəndə rectangular deyəndə vurğun da qoydu. Kəşfə bilir ki, söz budur deyə.
Aha, düzdür. Davam ediyor 36 ilə. Make yerine build, create və s. deyə bilər.
Roof that allowed smoke to escape. This is one of many innovations and indicates that the Neolithic farmers were the first people to cook indoors. Another new technology that Neolithic settlers brought to Ireland was pottery. Fragments of Neolithic pots have been found in KG and elsewhere in Ireland. The pots were used for many things, as well as for storing food. Pots were filled with a small amount of fat, and when this was set alight, they served as lamps.
Lamps.
Like lamps.
Lamp.
It's thought that the KG fields were mainly used as paddocks for animals to graze in. Evidence from the KG fields suggests that each plot of land was of a suitable size to sustain an extended family.
Okay.
Extended family. Extended family.
Big family. Big family.
Extended
Big family.
Extended
family
bigdir.
istedi. Cevap da
Family.
family olmuş.
Extended.
Saat diye bu dəfəki 4.
Yes.
And they have used a system of rotational grazing in order to prevent overgrazing and to allow for plant recovery and regrowth. This must have been a year-round activity, as no structures have been found which would have been used to shelter animals in the winter.
Yani
Winter.
Winter.
Winter.
demişdi. But during deyirsə baxın nə ola bilər? Müharibə ərzində ya da fəsil ərzində deyəcəklər, düzdür?
However, archaeologists believe that this way of life at KG ceased abruptly. Why was this? Well, several factors may have contributed to the changing circumstances. The soil would have become less productive.
Soil become
Soil become less productive.
Soil.
Az istiyor
Soil.
olabilir.
Productivity'nin sinonimi var.
Productive.
Deyirsiniz bir dənə söz, lesson 1-də. Kim xatırlayır?
Efficient.
Neyin?
Fertility. Productivity. Fertile da deyə bilər.
Fertilize. Elə bir şey.
Fertilize. Fertilizer'daki gübrəydi, xatırlayırsınızsa. Bəli.
Yeah.
40-a keçirək.
Led to the abandonment of farming. The crop rotation system was partly responsible for this, as it would have been very intensive and was not sustainable. But there were also climatic pressures too. The farmers at KG would have enjoyed a relatively dry period, but this began to change, and the conditions became wetter as there was a lot more rain.
Okay. A lot
Rain. Increase in rain.
Increase in
Lot more increase. Yeah.
cavabımız. Aydındır. Nəsə sualımız var mı bununla bağlı? Bir dəqiqə.
Teacher, bilmem